Hey there, home enthusiasts! Welcome back to Home Inspiration Studios, where we turn your vision of a beautiful home into reality. Today, we're exploring the charming world of small guest house design and learn how to maximize space and create a welcoming retreat for your visitors. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Whether you're looking to accommodate visiting family and friends or create a cozy vacation rental, a well-designed small guest house can be a delightful addition to your property. Small guest house design focuses on creating efficient and stylish living spaces within a limited footprint. It involves careful planning, smart storage solutions, and a thoughtful use of color and texture to maximize comfort and functionality. We hope this video has inspired you to create a beautiful and functional small guest house. Remember, even the smallest space can be transformed into a cozy and inviting retreat. So why wait? Start planning your dream guest house today. If you're ready to embark on your small guest house design journey, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring home decor ideas. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. After this, we will provide you a gallery of best garden and living room decor ideas for your inspiration. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Homes Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.